I'm Alex with Trusted PPE, and this is a tutorial for our medical infrared thermometer. So to get started, all we have to do is open the box and slide it out. It has two AAA batteries in the bottom, but for now we'll be worrying about the top. So to turn it on, all you have to do is hold the trigger down in front, this button right here. It turns on. Right now I'm not doing anything, so it's going to tell me it's on low temperature. Now there's a couple settings you'll want to work with before you can use this to the fullest. The first one is if you want to switch the temperature from Celsius, the unit, to Celsius to Fahrenheit. The way you can do that is if you turn it on just like this. You hold the button on the side that says set. You hold it one more time. It says F2. Now F3. When you get to F3, you're going to be able to change the unit. You can go up or down, and if you hit the up button, you can see that it just changed directly to Fahrenheit. So now I'll go cycle through again. I'll hit the set button again to cycle all the way through. Now when I turn it back on, now we're in Fahrenheit. The other thing you can do right off the bat is switch what kind of temperature you're taking. Right now it's set for body, so when you're taking a person's temperature, you want it there. But if you hit the set button and you just press it, now you can switch to take the temperature of a surface. To take the temperature, all you have to do is hold it down. I just took the temperature of this surface, which is 74.5 degrees. Another interesting setting that you can do with this is to calibrate it to make sure that it's correct. Now I have right here just a regular old thermometer that goes in the mouth, and to make sure that you're taking a consistent temperature, you want to make sure that this, whatever reading you're getting here, matches up with whatever reading you're getting here. And if it doesn't, there's a setting that you can do by holding it here, F1, you get 0.1, and that's the variance. Now say your temperature is too hot or too cold. So say I'm actually 98 degrees, but it's showing 97. Well, I want to turn that up using the numbers up on the side, and I want to compensate for that 1 degree difference. So I can get it to 1 degree, and now when I take a temperature, it's going to compensate for that. Now, of course, I've tested this and calibrated mine already, and the variance is basically nothing. So I'm going to put that back on 0, or 0.1 is about as close as you can to 0, and cycle back through. Now, this is the other feature. F2, when you go through the menu, sets the temperature at which you're going to get told that it's a fever. Now, I'm going to leave the threshold setting at its default of 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, and when I take my temperature, it comes back with a green screen because I am under that threshold at 97.5. Now, when it does go over the threshold, you're going to see a red screen right here. The red LEDs are going to light up, and it's going to beep twice. It's going to let you know that you have a fever or the reading that you just took is above that threshold. Now you have all the information that you need to run this thermometer. I'm Alex for Trusted PPE.